here. What do you mean something looks different? Nothing looks different at all. Nothing. Yeah. Nothing looks different at all. Yeah, nothing looks different total. Only nothing. But yes, I got a new room. And this is a first. I did literally every single video in this room. And the room has just been white the whole time. Here, I'll show you how long it takes to turn off all the lights in this room. Just to show you. Go over to the other. Oh my god. Okay. And this, I don't think this is even the last one. Oh, where's the remote? Now the lights are back on. Oh, I don't want to wait. Oh my god. This is what my room looks like with only 2 lights. I feel like I'm like a laser tag arena right now. You can't see anything. Also, in boxes of anything. And the curtain got stuck here. What the? That still looks like a room from like 2015. But it's still good. Like, what the heck? Get the green screen. Probably what you guys should be doing right now. This is like the office part beyond the camera. Yeah, it's pretty much the same thing. Oh, there's 2 more things you should do down there. Now, this is what you should be doing right now. This is the same layout as always, not just circuits and lights. But what about beside this? Possibly some more stuff. I want to turn the lights back on for this, but I want to go focus around this part of the room. First of all, let's pray that these boxes don't fall, because they're just mounted into the wall with golden tape and stuff.